Will silver go to the moon? Probably not yet. This is Brian Lewis with MMT Investing, and things just changed. So, all right, I'm getting data. So I'm I'm in South Africa on lockdown. They closed all of the borders and they closed all the airports. I did a safari and I got stuck here. So here's another video. Um, so uh, maybe I can get a picture of silver here. So silver is relatively cheap right now. I think it's about 15 or 14 or 15 dollars an ounce right now. But if you look at a historical trend line of silver, inflation adjusted trend line of silver, you'll see that $6 an ounce is the the average actual price of silver. So it's not down there yet. It's still more than double the real price that it should be, in my opinion. And then also silver is coming down off of a huge. Um, let's see if I can get this chart to pull up. It's coming down off of a huge bubble, and this is pretty recent. I mean, it was what, 2012 or 2011? Yeah, 2011. Silver went crazy. This chart, I wish I could see the real prices of silver. But I mean, silver just had an insane bubble, and we kind of bumped along here, and this is kind of like a downtrending shoulder, still coming down off the bubble. This is kind of what I see with Bitcoin too. It's just kind of this downtrending shoulders coming off the bubble. Um, and then the financial crisis right now is a little interlude from that normal trend. I mean, silver. So if you look at the gold charts, I might try to pull one up in a second, but it might take like 10 minutes to pull it up. If you look at the gold charts, gold draws down with the crash, because people have to sell the gold on margin, but then gold springs right back up to where it came from. With silver, it doesn't come back up. Like, this looks like pretty close to a normal stock chart in the crash. So silver's not rebounding like a monetary commodity. It's rebounding like a normal commodity. So silver's not great in it's not great in the crash. Uh, and then let's see. Let me go to my chart and get a long term of the S&P. So yeah, I was really interested in silver last year, researching it a lot. I had money in a self-directed IRA. I was gonna try to buy physical silver, and then now that the crash has started, you can't you can't even get physical silver. I mean, the silver stores, if you go to like Bullion Star or something, they're asking double the spot price for silver coins. It's crazy. Uh, there's one there's one silver miner that makes their own coins. It's called J, JM, or I can't remember. I'll link to them if you want. But I mean, that's the same thing. They're asking $20 per coin, and the coin's spot is only 14. So silver, the spot price is not that good of a price. Um, I mean, arguably, like according to the historic trend line, it's not a historically good price, but people are saying it's a pretty good price right now. I don't think it's that great of a price. But here's my concern with silver is not that. My concern with silver is that we're in this crash. Oh, don't want to move that. We're in this crash here, and as I just showed you on the previous chart, when it crashes, silver crashes pretty much the same as the S&P. I mean, maybe it bounces like a little bit higher than the S&P, but silver does not do well in crashes. It crashes just like a commodity. So silver is not great there. If you grab silver here, it's probably going to be okay for 3 months as we get out of here. Um, but I think that we're going into a long-term bear market right now. This is going to be probably 2 or 3 years of a bear market reversing off of this everything bubble. And this is going to keep just pulling silver down, even if silver's trying to follow gold up, because I think gold will do really well in this bear market. People are scared of dollars. I think there's a lot of hype around gold. Um, I don't like the price of gold, but and everyone says that gold's like a good speculative, not sorry, is a good like insurance investment, but um, the price where gold is right now doesn't look that good as an insurance investment for me. But I think gold is a good speculative investment right now because it's starting to get hyped up. And it already had one little kind of peak. And I think gold could be the next like crazy bubble because it looks like silver and Bitcoin are both coming down off of the last bubble. And it looks like gold might be ramping up onto the next bubble. And I'm hearing a lot of hype about gold. So I think that might be a decent speculative play to play gold over this whole bear market because gold will hold up in the bear market and silver won't. Silver, I mean, I don't know how much silver will get pulled down because it is also a monetary metal, but silver is a commodity and it gets pulled down in down markets. But once we reverse off of this bear market bottom, then silver will act like a monetary metal, and it could actually go to the moon and start catching up with gold. So I do like silver a lot as an idea, and the time when you should buy it or I should buy it. This is not investment advice. Do not listen to me. The time when I'm considering buying it, if this scenario plays out, would probably be around 2003, and this is probably when the housing market will be bottomed. So I'll be looking for silver and houses, I guess. I'll build like a little house out of silver bars. That's my plan. Please click on the like button to help me with the YouTube algorithm if you don't mind, and subscribe if you like, and happy trading.